all know India is a large country, more than 1 billion people. But did you know that we have about 15 million more mouths to feed each year? And what do we people in India eat? Rice. In fact, rice is the most important food crop in the country. It occupies 42 million hectares of our land, making this country home to one of the largest blankets of rice in the world. But as our country grows and grows and grows, we will need to produce 2 million more tons of rice every year to keep up. That is a tall order. So how do we take this staple crop to the next level? How do we make this common crop invincible so that we can achieve food security? Some of the best scientists in the country are working to make seeds that can thrive in India's tough conditions. This means that we will be able to feed our growing country and continue to be a world exporter of rice too. There is one company in particular that is leading the way and helping India's agriculture to thrive. Let's head to the paddy.
Lush green fields of paddy, an ample yield and a prosperous India. That's a recurring dream for farmer Ashok Kumar Singh. In a country where rice is a staple, especially in southern and eastern regions, but it's a tough task with crops that fall prey to pests and an erratic monsoon pattern. And a truant monsoon can play havoc with the rice harvest.
साल में 6-7 बारिश होता है, धान के फसल के लिए उपयुक्त है, लेकिन इस साल 2 बारिश हुआ और 2 बारिश के वजह से काफ़ी सूखे की स्थिति रही.
Eastern India is largest rice growing region in India, and this part is basically a rainfed and monsoon dependent. In case of a bad monsoon, in case of a bad rainfall, farmer loses the entire crop. Imagine a farmer whose life is dependent on single crop of rice and he loses the entire crop because of there is no rain.
What is needed is a sturdy and a hardy variety of rice that is suited to the changing local conditions, where the traditional varieties are not able to survive.
This is one of the local variety being grown in this part of India. This year, because of low rainfall, performance of this variety is not very good. Farmer is not going to get a very good yield from this particular plot. I will take you to one of the PHB 71 plot in a nearby field, which also is being given similar kind of water and similar kind of rain. And you can see the performance and see the visible difference in that plot compared to this particular plot.
The revolution for a good harvest and a bumper crop started with the humble seed. DuPont Pioneer in India has come to the rescue of millions of farmers like Ashok by developing the hybrid PHB 71 variety of rice, which not only delivers a better yield than the traditional variety, but is also more stress resistant, especially in parched lands.
This is PHB 71 plot, which is very near to the other plot which we have seen earlier. In tough condition also, this crop is showing a very good performance. You can see the very good growth which is reflected in the crop, and farmer is going to get a very good yield.
The difference between the hybrid and traditional varieties of the rice crop ensures that the farmers are no longer at the mercy of the weather conditions.
Hybrid seed is basically a combination of two very good varieties. Our breeders basically work in controlled environment with two varieties, and they try to bring a proper best quality of both the variety into one particular single variety. They keep on basically mixing these variety till the time they get the right perfect fit, which is really fitted into the local condition.
फर्क आपको देखने को मिलेगा हाइब्रिड सीड में कि 2 बारिश में ही ये सीड पूरा का पूरा तैयार है और ये बाली निकलने का नाम नहीं लेता है. वैसे 2 पानी हम इसमें भी दिए हैं, 2 पानी इसमें भी दिए हैं, लेकिन ये बीज का कमाल है. ये 71 है, पायनियर कंपनी का PHB 71 है और ये देसी है.
Aptly known as the Sukhe ka Sher, which translates into a drought fighter, this PHB 71 variety of rice has been a big boon for rice farmers all over India.
एक स्लोगन था 71 का कि सूखे का शेर. हम लोग इसके पहले पिछले साल हम लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा था कि सूखे का शेर मतलब क्या, लेकिन इस साल बारिश इतना न कम हुआ कि इस साल लग रहा है कि सूखे का शेर मतलब 71. अकेला 71 धान है जो सूखे का शेर है.
The search and the quest is for a bountiful produce, zero crop failure, and zero hungry mouths in India.
DuPont Pioneer is bringing innovative, science-based innovative solutions which is helping us in meeting of our goal of zero hunger.
We have the second largest agriculture sector in the world, but pressure on this vast system is mounting. As our population grows, we must continue to innovate in order to feed all of our people and achieve Shunya hunger. Over the course of the past half hour, we have seen people who are revolutionizing agriculture, whether by increasing productivity or even overcoming the vagaries of Mother Nature. These innovators are addressing the imbalance between India's food supply and demand. And in doing that, they are boldly working towards a future of zero crop failure and zero hungry mouths. Until next week, when we take you on another journey into India's innovators, it's goodbye from me, Anupam Kher.
Next week, we embark on a quest to find innovators who are finding a solution to the problem of pollution. A clean cooking stove is cutting pollution to save lives. A powder that can reduce pollution in water bodies. And robots that can tackle air pollutants in our homes.